Meaning of glamour.
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 Glamour. The word glamour refers to the quality of being glamorous, or possessing an attractive and exciting charm. It is often associated with fashion, beauty, and entertainment industries, as well as with any type of luxurious or prestigious lifestyle. Glamour can be seen in the glitz and glamour of Hollywood celebrities, in the high-end fashion shows of Paris and Milan, and in the luxury goods and services enjoyed by the wealthy. It is a term that connotes both beauty and extravagance, and is highly valued in modern society as a symbol of success and sophistication.